Hi everyone, I am back with the final video from the Beebeecraft jewellery collection kit. Now, I'm going to try these open bezels. I have never used these before, so a little bit nervous, a little bit excited. They are basically completely open and you pour the resin inside. So for this, I am going to use some packing tape, which is something I've seen other people use. I do believe you can also use sticky back plastic or tacky back, whatever people call it, wherever you're from. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay some of these out in a line like so, and then get some tape and make sure that they are completely secure. Right, what I've done here just to show you is I've taped the sellotape up and under this piece of board, which means once I've put the resin in, I can safely lift it and move it elsewhere so that I can still use this worktop because it's all I have. Right, so as you would have seen halfway through, sorry, let me just remove my mask a little bit. As you would have seen halfway through, I had more resin than I needed, so I just put out some more strawberries. So we now know that 10 strawberries actually fits 10 grams of resin, which is a result, right? It says 1 gram per strawberry. If anyone out there is thinking of making these, the red part alone has taken 10 grams for 10 strawberries. this is them finished with their green stems, green leaves, should I say. I've learned so much, even though this has taken me a while because it's super fiddly. I've already learned more about resin than I've learned before, and that is that the tiniest little drop of resin goes so far. I literally overspilled on a couple of these leaves. It got quite fiddly, and it spread throughout the red like you just wouldn't believe. So there was definitely a few patch up jobs to be done. It's still yeah, still really enjoyable. Calming is the word I can use. Calming. So down here I used some leftover green. You'll see that here. I just splodged some in and dragged it. At the end of the day they are fruit, so we'll just call them wonky fruit from Sainsbury's. Is that what they call their fruit? You know, the fruit that isn't exactly perfect. But yeah, really loved this. The green was fiddly. I think a cocktail stick or even a syringe would be helpful. I've got syringes, but I'm just no good with them. I can't get the pressure right. I'll end up just squirting the resin everywhere. So yeah, cannot wait to see how these dry. And yeah, I guess we'll be seeing you back here 24 hours from now. Let's go. And that is it for those. The last thing to do, which I did on quite a few of them, I trimmed up the edges because there was some overspill from myself where, you know, it just got a bit tricky here. So you just want to cut this off with a pair of scissors. And yeah, I absolutely love them. I think they're so sparkly and pretty. But you let me know what you think. I definitely, like I said before, I've learned a couple of things. Definitely not to over pour. I wanted to dome them straight away. Silly mistake because it just bled into other areas. And it just makes life easy if you don't overfill. So that's one lesson I've learned. The other lesson is obviously some of these tiny little spaces in the bezels can be quite fiddly. And there's probably thousands of people out there who already have this technique down. But again, this is my first time. So maybe a cocktail stick next time. Or even, I'm thinking maybe a needle or a pin. I'm no good with syringes because I will just press too hard and over pour. But yeah, really, really love these. And I just love this gorgeous red glitter. It's my favourite. I definitely would try opal bezels again. I think maybe more in the free range style, so like a circle or a diamond basic open bezel. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will be putting these on the fridge, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.